Hi everyone, my name is Madar from Food and Fragrances, and today I want to bring forth a fragrance that has newly entered my collection. It's been a couple of weeks, but I've actually used this quite a bit, and I really enjoy it. And this is from the house of PureDistance. This is White. Now, this musky rose sandalwood orris combination sitting on a backdrop of tonka bean, patchouli, and vetiver is just phenomenal. It's done well, and I expect nothing less when it comes to the house of Pure Distance because they work with master perfumers and their materials are phenomenal, and you get that. There's a delicacy to this fragrance that is unmatched. Now, what this smells like is a bouquet of red roses, not overly sweet, not overly jammy, just a beautiful bouquet of red roses, nice and fresh, with a musk, mixed in with a very delicate sandalwood that allows this powdery composition to really mingle with the rest of the ingredients and round everything out. It's delicately sweet, but it is very floral, so it may lean a little bit on the feminine side. However, I don't personally mind as a male. I like wearing florals. I do think this is truly unisex, but for those that kind of have a little bit of a disposition, it could lean a little bit more feminine leaning. I do recommend getting your nose on a sample because I do think this type of perfumery is elevated, is beautifully elegant. And I think the adjective that really describes this perfume would be heavenly. If you're talking about wearings, I think daytime is the perfect wear. I do think this could be a wonderful signature scent. And if you're looking for an office pleasant scent, this would be the one that I think you guys should check out. And the reason I say that is it's not obnoxious. It doesn't smell like a perfume. It smells like a beautiful wearing experience. Like if you have a bouquet sitting in the background and that's kind of flourishing. It's absolutely beautiful. I really like this, and Pure Distance has not disappointed me whatsoever. So if you're in the market and you are looking for a wonderful, elegant, delicate floral that is more so your style as opposed to something that's loud, definitely give Pure Distance White a try. Get your nose on a sample and then let me know what you guys think. If you've tried it, let me know what you guys think down below. And if you want to try it, let me know. And hopefully I put you onto something awesome. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a great one. Take care. Bye.